Blair's £10 war chest to fight against populism, former PM winds up his secretive company to start a new organisation that will battle against Britain leaving the EU. Tony Blair yesterday announced he is ploughing almost £10 million into his new crusade against populists. The former Prime Minister has vowed to use his riches and influence to fight Brexit and stop Britain quitting the European Union. He is winding up his secretive money-making empire and setting up the Tony Blair Institute, a not-for-profit organization entirely owned by him. Yesterday, as his firm's annual accounts were published, he revealed he is giving £9.3 million from his companies to the new institute, whose purpose will be to tackle the new populism which he said was driving the world apart on Brexit and other issues. But as usual, Mr. Blair's accounts do not reveal how much money he has taken for himself on his final payday before he starts working for free. The complex web of companies, named Windrush and Firerush, was set up 10 years ago in such a way that it is impossible to see what he earned. However, the accounts do offer a clue that profits may have risen significantly in the past year. It would build a new policy agenda for the center ground with networks to link people together. He said, "It is what I know I would want, were I still in the front line of politics." Part of its focus will plainly be around the European debate, but this will not be its exclusive domain. It has to go far wider than that, since in many ways the Europe debate is a lightning rod for the whole of politics.